2 slows, slow, slow, no back step. Then 2 basic, slow, slow, 1, slow, slow. Then the basic of the jazz man, so 3 in a row. Double lady under for jazz man, slow, slow, quick, quick. Point, 2, 3, 4, back step, slow, slow, quick, quick. Point, 2, 3, 4, back step. Face, cross, side, 2, 3, and heel. Then slow, slow for the next song with again 2 basics. Quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. Now the next part, which is our candy wrap, starts with a basic. Prep the hand. Turn around, starts with a basic. I'm going to turn the hand for the candy wrap back. We do a she, he turn. She goes, he goes, quick, quick. The sneak comes next. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Then I do 1 airplane. Polar across, that is lady under, and a bow and arrow. Slow, slow, fast turn. Followed by 2 slows and 1 basic. Then we do the basic for the My Cool Sweetheart, where we step, turn around, run, eagle turn, slow, quick, quick, polar cross, slow, quick, quick. Another eagle airplane, quick, quick, left. Here's the cool move of slow, slow, quick, quick. We progress, slow, quick, quick, a lady under and a half, quick, quick, followed by 2 slows. 1 basic again, and the basic for the swing dango, double lady under, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. 1 airplane left, ring around the collar to handshake, inside turn, change hands again, we step and swing around.
Sorry.
Quick step, swing around, quick, quick step, swing around, right into the jive point basic, double lady under here. Slow, slow, blazer, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, spin around, quick, quick, a 1, 2, 3, 4, back step, a basic, double kicks, then 3 count vine and a slide, 1, 2, 3, lunge.